Hello, my name is Anantacharya, and chances are you have not heard of me. However, you will be glad you heard from me today, because I am going to amaze you with a different view and show you why you have been losing money in the stock and financial markets. I have had the opportunity and the privilege of trading the markets for over 3 decades now, of learning trading from some of the best traders in the world, and the opportunity to share my discoveries and methods across the globe in 4 continents and many countries. To present hands-on trading workshops and seminars to over 4,000 traders and investors hailing from the US, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Today, I live a life of plenty. A life each one of us dreams of. A fabulous large house staffed to make my life so comfortable. A dream car, holidays all over the world, and never having to worry about money for the rest of my life. I have made the markets my ATM, a self-reloading ATM. You too can. And all this has been possible with a few discoveries I made about the markets. The secret language of the markets, a method so simple, so elegant, and so clear. You will be surprised to learn that every one of us can make the money we so desire. Your desires can all be fulfilled. You too can live the life of your dreams.